So I asked thrice for y'all, and there was it's showing that a little bit of maybe the smoothness that your life should go through and you should be going through at this point of time, it may not be there. Slight ups and downs are there, but the thing holding everything together is maybe the strength that you all have as a couple, as a family. You know, the network that you have, the bond that you have is holding everything together right now. So be together as you are, and just increase the maybe the meditations if you're doing any, if you do some prayers, whatever you do. So just do that to raise your frequency, to raise your vibrations. And a lot of change is coming, a lot of flow is coming into your life, which is going to bring new changes, good changes for the both of you all. Thank you.
Can I comment on your statement?
Yes, please.
Please go ahead.
There is so much meditation and so much prayer कि
Okay.
सानू थोड़ा थल्ले ले आ दो जी.
दोनों थल्ले ले आ दिए. ठीक है जी सर जी.
You're not a metta from Gujarat, you're metta from Punjab, तो थोड़ा जा थल्ले ले आ दो कि क्या कहते ने असी you know रोजी दा कि कहते ने लुत्फ ले लइए.
बिल्कुल जी एनजी करांगे सर जी.
मेडिटेशन तो प्रेयर एनी हो रही है कि कोई थल्ले तक गल ही नहीं कर सकता.
चलो यही प्रॉब्लम है शायद. इन्हों भी ठीक कर देंगे.
प्रॉब्लम है जी, मेरी इससे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है.
ठीक है सर जी, आई हियर यू. अच्छा आप प्लीज बिनाइफर मेरे एक दोस्त के लिए पढ़ दें. शुभांग फ्रॉम फेसबुक, ही इज वांटिंग यू टू डू अ रीडिंग फॉर हिम. Could you kindly do that? Thank you.
Okay, so Shubhang, for you, I'm getting a beautiful spiritual journey which is opening up for you. So embrace that and go ahead with that. There will be a lot of changes after you embrace that, because you will be, it's like embracing a part of yourself. So go ahead and do that. There are some restrictions as far as
बिंदु आपको म्यूट करना पड़ेगा. बिंदु जी नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल. म्यूट कर ले. ओके जी, बढ़िया. Let's go to last one person. Yes, sir.
Sorry, I had not completed.
Go ahead.
And some karmic clearing is happening, but again, you are not willing to release your fears, whatever restrictions that you have. Let go of that. Let go of old patterns, old beliefs, and things will start flowing into your life. Thank you.
So शुभांग, जो पुरानी चीजें उसे उठा के फेंको, और जो दिमाग के अंदर भी पुराने ख्यालात है उन्हें भी उठा के फेंको, ताकि जिंदगी साफ और बढ़िया सी चले. एक लास्ट रीडिंग कर देते हैं रश्मि के लिए. रश्मि मुकेश. रश्मि, आप अनम्यूट करके अगर आप बता दें हमें कि is there anything that you would like to know, then we can do a talk from there. We can do a
Hello.
Reading. Hi Rashmi.
Hi, I'm from Lucknow.
Welcome to the group.
Yes. नहीं, मुझे बस कुछ नहीं जानना. I am a Rotarian. बस सुनना है आप लोगों को. And I am friend of Rajiv.
Very good.
And he invited me.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए,
अगर वो बनाफशा कुछ बता सकती हैं तो ऐसे ही बता दें मेरे लिए.
हाँ, वही करेंगे. ऐसे ही बता दें इनके लिए.
Sure.
हाँ जी. नमस्ते जगदीश. नमस्ते स्नेहा on the Facebook. Sunny, Gauri.
Okay, so for you, I'm getting slight movement on the family front, whatever, if you feel that things were not moving ahead there, any issues, any misunderstandings, so that will slowly start improving. Wealth is on its way. You need to just break some barriers that are there, maybe some belief systems that you had around money, so break those, try and work around those, and it's going to work for you. You need to keep yourself a little more protected than you already are, so maybe some prayers, something, whatever, if you know some healing modality, however you can protect yourself, do that, and things will be great. Thank you.
There are two more
Okay,
people who are
thank
asking
you.
for reading. Samarth is asking for reading, if you could do that for him. Samarth,
Yeah.
did you have any specific question? Any specific
Yes.
question? Yes, please
Good
go ahead
evening.
and ask the question. Good evening. Where are you from?
I am from Guwahati, Assam.
Wonderful. Welcome to the group.
Rajiv uncle he's my uncle actually.
Oh,
Family friend.
wonderful. Wonderful. तो आपका कोई
Yeah.
सवाल है?
मैं जानना चाहता था, बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस और प्रेशर में हूँ आजकल, दिमाग थोड़ा ठीक नहीं रहता है, तो उसके लिए पूछना चाहता था कि कैसे
क्या करना
ठीक रहे
चाहिए?
मतलब।
बिल्कुल सर।
Okay. Okay.
सामर्थ के लिए बताइए कि उनका डिस्ट्रेस उनको कैसे किया जाए।
Okay, so for you, de-stressing, आप थोड़ा
question, if I may ask, of Rashmi. Rashmi, were you Rashmi Tandon?
नहीं सर जी, रश्मि टंडन नहीं है वो।
Okay.
हाँ जी।
Sorry, please.
No problem.
Okay, no problem. तो आपके लिए you need to de-stress with family, which maybe you're not able to do right now. You need to connect more with family. So that is going to be right now your biggest de-stressor. तो जैसे ही आपको वो connection मिल जाएगा with the family, that is going to really help you move things ahead in your life also. And also you need a change of perspective कि हम लोगों ने always एक ही रास्ता देखा है. We may not have bothered to see other options.
Right.
You know, we can de-stress in this way also. Maybe people always think कि हाँ चलो meditation से ही de-stress होता है, but not necessary. Even if you go and play a game of cricket, if you go and play a game of football, for you that could be a way you de-stress.
Right.
So you get your mode of de-stress, and that is a meditation for you. If you like to listen to some rock music, or you want to listen to anything, whatever you like to listen to, whatever activity you like to do, maybe you like to draw, you like to paint, you like to do kickboxing or anything, any physical activity that you like to do, you do that. Anything that you like to listen to, you listen to that, and that is how you de-stress. It doesn't have to be same for everybody.
Okay.
So select what you are comfortable with, and that is your meditation. That is what is close to your heart. So follow that, and automatically you will be de-stressed.
Okay. And
even tearing paper is a good way of de-stressing. So you can try that.
And how about otherwise in general reading? Can you just let me know?
You can contact her. We will put her number over here, so you can contact her and get the personal reading done, sir. That would be brilliant.
Okay. Thank you.
There are a number of people on the Facebook who are also asking for reading, and there are also people over here who are asking for reading. So let's do first on the home front on the Zoom.
Can I ask a question, Anuji?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल पूछिए.
I have a dream to go back to my land permanently, India. How soon?
Okay.
बिल्कुल. और इसके बाद we have Kamiya. I'm sorry, I have not pronounced your name properly. Okay, so just wait, hold on. Let's do the Rajiv's question and then come to yours.
Mr. Rajiv, you will come back to India. It will take some time, and you'll need to wait basically for another year at least. And that's when you'll exactly get the information that you need on how you're going to come back and when that's going to be possible. But it is there for sure.
Wonderful. Let's go to
Thank you.
Kimia.
Most welcome, sir.
Could you please, hi Leena.
Hi Anuji, thank you very much for
Of
giving me
course.
this opportunity. This
Yeah,
is Kimia.
Kimia, thank you.
And yes, I have met you a couple of times at Shobhaji's events.
Oh, wow.
And it's an honor for me to be in this session of yours today.
Thank you for being here and gracing us. What is
my
the question?
pleasure. Yeah, my question to Binayfar is that ideally it's nothing to do with prosperity, but I'm getting stuck many a times when it is concerned to cash flow or money, I would say. There are a lot of transactions which are just not moving ahead, and that's bothering me. So could Binayfar help me with that?
Sure.
Binayfar, today you are absolutely in demand. Mr. Bhatnagar, 5 minutes और लगेंगे. I hope.
Please, I'm enjoying and getting myself enriched with the immense knowledge being distributed. Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Sarji, up. Rajiv. Yes, Rajiv will do the reading for you too. I got the message here. क्या कहते हैं हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते.
Okay, so Kimaya, for you, what I'm getting is your financial blocks will improve. There is some karmic pattern which is happening here where you will need some help to clear that out. Once that is done, there will be a good flow of money in your life. And also, where have you not listened to yourself, to your gut feeling about a lot of things and gone ahead and maybe invested or loaned people money where you would have felt that it was not necessary or it was not required, and you have done that. So if you feel that has happened anytime, then whatever has happened. So let go of that guilt, let go of the feeling that okay, I have made these decisions and I'm at fault. So don't do that. Let go of that. Try and change your patterns, and definitely things are going to improve.
Okay. Will you see an outcome in the next 1 or 2 weeks?
That I'll again have to cast the cowries. That
okay,
would
then I'll contact you personally.
Yeah.
That would be
Thank you so
lovely.
much.
People
Thank
who
you.
want personal talk from Binayfar or personal reading, we'll send you the number right away. Binayfar, if you could put your number in the chat box so that everybody.
Sure, Anu, sure.
Sanskriti, you'll have to please mute yourself, sweetheart. Okay, Rajiv, can we have Rajiv Chaudhary's reading, please?
Sure.
Yes.
Hi. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening. Where are you from?
Madam, I am physically from Delhi. By heart, I am from Mumbai. I'm born and brought up in Bombay.
मतलब आप बट गए.
मैं बंजारा हो गया हूँ मैडम, बहुत घूम चुका हूँ. I've lived in US also.
हाँ.
But for
चल्ला की लब्दा फिरे यारादा करके
चलते रहो, बस उसी चलते रहो, चले जाओ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. चलिए, बिनाइफर का नंबर आ गया आपके पास. बिनाइफर राजीव चौधरी के लिए पढ़ दे, जनरल कर दे इनके लिए.
ओके,
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. और कुछ लोगों ने फेसबुक पे आपके लिए कहा है, तो आई विल कीप टेलिंग यू हु इट इज एंड देन यू कैन रीड फॉर देम.
Mr. Rajiv, for you, I'm getting a good time as far as money is concerned. So some movement is there on that front. And if you feel that you want to invest somewhere, you need to really check who you're investing with and take advice of somebody who you can trust, somebody who you know has a lot of knowledge about this field wherever you want to invest in. So do that, and things will move ahead for you in a good way. That's what I'm getting right now. Change your perspective about a few things in life where you feel that there is things which are stuck and not moving, and automatically things will start moving ahead for you. But overall, it's a good time for you. Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. We have Snehal from the Facebook. Please read for her, Sneha.
Sure.
Thank you. We can do general reading for you.
So Snehal, for you, what I'm getting is you need to work on improving relationships with your family or yourself. So do some inner work where you can connect with yourself again, where you can find your path again, if that's what you're really looking for. Move to a modality which will help you with your spiritual growth, because that is what is required right now, and things will move ahead for you. Things are looking good for you, actually. Even financially, things are looking good for you, but the only blocks are where you're not able to either connect with yourself or with your family, where the blocks are coming and not letting you move ahead. And for that, spirituality will definitely help you. So go ahead with that. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have Mr. Devinder Kaur Anand from the Facebook. If you
Okay.
can do a reading for him.
Sure. Mr. Kaur, for you, I am getting a good time right now with your family. Whatever you need to build your bonds and to get back with your family is going to happen very soon. So enjoy this time, be with your family, and whatever, if you feel that there were any differences within the family or with immediate family, go ahead and break those differences that you had and get back together with everyone. There is a time for you right now where things are moving, where you will need to actually pay attention to also people who are in your company. So maybe who you feel uncomfortable with, you're not comfortable with a few people's company, try to avoid them. Try to see what their true motive is of being close to you and trying to be over friendly with you. So pay attention to those people. They may not be good for you currently. Thank you.
Please make a reading for Leena Kejriwal.
Sure.
Thank you. Hi Seema, hi Kiran. Brilliant to see Binduji here.
Hello Anu, hi.
Hi Seema, hi Satinder. Reading for Leena Kejriwal.
Yes. So Leena, you need to change your perspective about a few things of how you're looking at yourself and how you're looking at your family. And that is going to bring back beautiful relationships with whoever you're with right now. And whatever differences were there, I'm seeing that slowly move out of your family. And
Hello. Hi Seema, hi Satinder.
Yes. So Leena, you need to change your perspective about a few things of how you're looking at yourself and how you're looking at your family. And that is going to bring back beautiful relationships with whoever you're with right now. And whatever differences were there, I'm seeing that slowly move out of your family. And
hi Seema, hi Satinder.
I know, is it repeating? Yeah, something is repeating.
I think it's somebody is unmuted and their phone is talking.
Okay. So I'm also getting a lot of abundance flow for you. So be open to accepting whatever is coming your way. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's do the last spread for the whole group.
Yes.
वैसे बिना फिर रुको, पहले मेरे लिए करो आज.
Yes.
और क्या मतलब बिल्कुल सूरज यहाँ खड़ा हो और मैं ही ना किरण लूं, ऐसे कैसे? नाइंसाफी है.
Okay, so Anu, for you, I'm getting a beautiful time full of wisdom, full of inner growth, and with that, a flow of money coming your way. So be open to that. Be open to releasing any patterns that are not solving your life purpose right now, which is also like that phase is also happening. So be open to that, accept that, and just go ahead. It's a beautiful time showing for you right now.
Thank you.
Thank
Hi,
you.
Shahina. It's so beautiful to see you here. Thank you, Binaifer. You are amazing.
Thank you.
As always, do it for the whole group, and that's where we'll say thank you to you.
Yes.
I'm really happy to hear everyone Binaifer starting with.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Shahina, it's so nice to have you here. I miss you.
Me too.
So much, Shahina.
Okay, so for the whole group, I'm getting that we need to start bonding with our families. We need to accept who we are, how we are, and that only is going to take us ahead to a life full of abundance. And that is going to clear up whatever issues that we don't need in our life for a smoother road ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Binaifer. I really appreciate your support, and I really appreciate what you're doing for everyone.
Thank you, Anu. Always there for you. Thank you so much, everyone.